Today's video is a plan with me and my Hobonichi cousin, and stay until the end of the video for some productivity tips. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I plan using this sticker kit planner Chic, which will be out in the shop on the 1st of May, so stay tuned for that. Please follow us on IG and FB if you want to keep updated with all our new releases. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking out all of the sticky notes that I use for my pre-planning. Now that we have a clean page, I'm going to go ahead and grab that date cover-up for the left page and placing it very carefully on the page. I am trying to align that on the line, I believe, right before it starts becoming a grid. Now for the bottom bar, I have shown this in another Plan With Me video in my Hobonichi Cousin, and that is aligned after that strip or time cover-up has been laid down. By the way, if you hear any strange noises, that is probably our cutter. We are cutting stickers right now because I am trying to get really good at pushing orders out at a quicker pace. Once again, this kit is going to be released on the 1st of May at paperjoyph.com. Together with a lot of other Hobonichi kits, we have an extensive collection of Hobonichi Cousin kits that will be coming out on the 1st of May. However, Paper or Planner Chic is already released as a Hobonichi Weeks kit, and I'm going to try my very best to release this also as a horizontal personal planner kit that is perfect for mini Happy Planner users out there. This kit is inspired by a comment in one of my FB posts. I think this is in a FB group that's called Hobonichi Weeks. I'm not so sure, but they wanted a plainer, non-pastel kit. And I thought that I'd work my way up to that. So I'm releasing this art as one of my kits for Cousin and for Weeks. And I think it's pretty good. So here I am putting down the stickers for my sidebar, starting with this week, and then of course the habit trackers, followed by the urgent box and the important box. Right below that, I'm going to put down that decorative box that I use as a background for layering. But before that, I am going to put down the deco for that little space at the corner. I'm also going to put down a giant decorative sticker just to make that space a little bit more interesting to look at. So now I'm going to go through putting stickers in my daily pages, or rather daily sections. So here I always start Monday with a decorative full box, followed by a header, and I'm putting down that big full box with that little cover up. I'm also going to use that little sticker clip, and I'm going to show you later how you can section off spaces in your daily sections just so you can see details much better and very quickly. So for this spread, I'm actually going to be using the decorative stickers as a sort of borders or decorations for boxes that I'm going to write down later on. Well, all the girls in this kit are super cute and I love them so much. I'm so happy that I found them and now I'm using them for this spread. I also used planners for this kit, although none of them are actually Hobonichi planners. I'm gonna work on that, I promise. So I'm just repeating the process through the rest of the pages, as you can see here. And when we get to the weekend, I'll be demonstrating how to use the weekend banner so that it is straight. So what you need to do is to hold either edge or either end, and then the K is in the middle. And it is perfectly within the space of Saturday and Sunday. So here I'm putting down a header instead of that deco just to divide that area. What I like to do with my stickers is to divide my day according to what I should be doing for that day. And then for the weekend, I usually put down a giant deco to serve as a full box. And at the very bottom, I put down a to-do header because that is where I list my next week's to-do list. I usually have stickers left over on my kit, and what I like to do is to just put them all over the place in the pages. I really don't like wasting stickers or having leftover stickers. That's just my preference because I feel like the chances of me using it elsewhere is very slim. Because I do have a lot of stickers, not just from my shop, but from a lot of other shops. So I just put them in places where there's nothing on it, and it usually works out pretty good. And that is the page done. Those are my empties. And now we're going into the extra bit of this video where I show you how to fill out your daily sections to have more productive days ahead. I have shown you how I use the sticky notes for my goals, and that's what I did there. But I feel like for the daily pages, it's very important to focus your energies and to plan ahead. Sometimes I get lazy or there's really nothing happening and I just forget planning and take it day by day. That's also something you can do. But for me, I feel like if I plan the week ahead, think about or visualize what a perfect week will be, it makes me more productive. That is how I am using my sidebar. It's to help me remember what a perfect week should be. Of course, nothing is perfect and you don't get to follow every single step, but that is okay. At least you are making the effort of trying to figure out what you want to do for your week. So the first tip is to make your tasks clearer. At first glance, it's going to look like it's just a long to-do list, but in reality, you have curated this to-do list by aligning it with your goals. The second tip is to make sure that your to-do list would help you reduce decision fatigue so that you have a guide whenever something comes up and you have to make a decision. The third tip and the last one is to create action steps from your goals. If you know your goals, then you will have no problem making the action steps and making sure that your to-do list is a way for you to get closer to your goal. So as you can see here, I've drawn a box to separate what I need to do, and I wrote down go to school because I'm going to pick up a friend that we can go out. And that is it for us today. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate every single one of you who thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, and watch all my videos. Once again, remember that May 1st is a big day for my shop, paperjoyph.com, because we are having a giant release. Make sure to mark your calendars. And thanks once again for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!